Over under 3.5 bites, eat this carne asada burrito. This thing is packed up and it's thick, but I think we got it. One. It's hot. Deceptively weak first bite. The back of my throat was pushing all the filling like the rice and stuff. So now it's just even thicker. We gotta squeeze and funnel it like a Go-Gurt. Two. It's falling apart, but we got a monster bite ahead of us. I will not let you guys down. I got it. Three. Whoa. Dude, I think me, like 2 months ago, I wouldn't have been able to get that. Bang. A fantastic line. Under wins.